If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? First off, let me just say thank you guys so much for getting me to 500 subscribers. That's incredible. I'm going to leave you with a video from earlier this month today. But first, I just want to let you know this week's shadow trading went great. It's not over yet. We still have tonight as our final session for the week. And then I'll be bringing you that full month recap soon. But this week on session 1, we had one total trade and one unfilled working order for session 1. And so the trade we did get filled on, that was a winner. So one total trade, and it was a winner on session 1. Session 2, we were watching the markets waiting for a nice opportunity, and unfortunately it just never got presented. So we had 0 trades on session 2. On session 3, we had one total trade, and it was a winner as well, much like session 1. And then on session 4, we had one total trade and one unfilled working order. And anytime you hear me talk about these unfilled working orders, that's basically I predict the market's going to go a certain way based on my indicators and such. And basically we don't want to get in too expensive for the price of the contract. So anytime you hear me say we didn't get filled on the trade, that's just because the pair kept moving in the direction I predicted, but never gave us a slight pullback so that we could get in for a better price. But of course I won't count those as wins, obviously. But the one trade we did get filled on for session 4 was a winner as well. So that just leaves us with session 5 for tonight, and then I'll be giving you guys the full month recap coming up next in the next video. So that's all for the shadow trading recap this week. Once again, thank you so much for 500 subscribers, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? I hope you're all doing good out there. I am sure doing great here. We just had market open after the long weekend here. So basically what we're going to do is go ahead and take these amazing profits. Boom. $300 just like that. And what I did here, literally just trading the 2-minute candle, waited for market open. It opened way below down here, way below the last that the Bollinger Band was at. So I got in when it was still around here for about $30 per contract, I think it was. And then, you know, as soon as the momentum started gaining back and crossing over this direction here, I had to scramble just to get to the the video recorder in time. But another absolutely incredible trade here, guys, that I just want to bring you in for. You can do this yourself a lot on the market open. I haven't had much experience with it on market close, like for the weekend. But you can also do it in between the little break period at 5 and 6 p.m. Eastern time every day. So, well, it's Eastern Standard for me. I know up here on the website, you know, it's showing 6 p.m. Eastern. But a thing with their holidays are always a day before or after for me, and I'm on Eastern Standard Time. So, you know, however it translates to you, that's what I mean. But yeah, you know, if you want to learn more about what exactly I looked for here, which I kind of let you know a little bit about it with the Bollinger Bands, then you can learn much more about that and some other techniques I use to make accurate trades consistently day in and day out, and especially for my shadow trading community, where we have a private group where I send out my alerts for any entries and exits that I have. We trade 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Both of those links are in the description below. If you want to learn more about how I was able to spot this great opportunity here at the very open of market on Sunday, as soon as market opens on the 5-minute binaries, then you're definitely going to want to check those links out below, especially the educational. That's weird. The new platform always glitches. If y'all know more about that, leave a comment about why that happens. But Yeah, so if you want to know more exactly about how I spot these trades and how to get in, when to get out, and exactly, because really the troubling part about trading is patience and knowing exactly when to get in and get out. I know that's what I struggled with a lot when I first started, and I'm here to help you to bypass those years of learning the hard way and months of earnings right back down the toilet, as soon as you start getting ahead, based on not knowing exactly why you're getting into trades or when to properly exit once the indications are showing the signs to leave or to cut losses if it starts to go against you. So I cover all kinds of stuff like that. Just check out those links, and I appreciate you watching, and I hope you all are doing great out there, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.